But he started it. No excuses, Cat.
Yeah, chase me, Tom! Jerry, get back here! Help! Tom's after me!
Thomas, stop this instant! Leave that poor mouse alone.
But Mom! I'll get you!
Huh? What's all this?
Oof, too slow!
Mom, he's chasing me again.
Thomas, what is this? Leave my son alone!
But ma'am, he started it.
Playing? Jerry, she's coming! What do we do?
What is going on here?
Nothing, Mom! Just playing.
I see.
He started it.
No, he did.
I don't care who started it. No fighting in the house.
Yes, Mom. Sorry, Mom.
You big bully. He's asking for it.
Leave my son alone!
Yeah, get him, Mom.
I'm sorry.
Thomas, chasing that mouse again?
But Mom, he started it. Yeah. Enough, both of you.
Stop right there, you two. This is a kitchen, not a playground. Now, behave yourselves.
I'll get you, Jerry.
Hey, stop that racket.
Hee-haw, what's all this? Too slow, Tom.
Why you there, Bob? Look out! Two plus two equals 4.
But cats don't add up.
Boys, no fighting!
Jerry!
I'll get you!
Thomas, stop this!
But Mom! Hee-haw! What a catastrophe!
A talking donkey? I am the mother donkey.
A talking donkey?
And don't you forget it. Who's bothering my baby?
It wasn't me!
Scram, Cat! This time, you're mine, Mouse.
In your dreams, well, this.
I'll get you both.
Try it. Yay!
Hold it right there, you little pests.
You'll have to be faster than that, Tom. Yeah, Uncle Jerry's the smartest.
Get back here! Jerry, you took my cheese again.
Finders keepers, Tom.
Give it back.
Or else. Or else what? Hey, Tom, missed us again? Yeah, you're so slow.
Why, you little pests? Catch us if you can! Tuffy, I have a plan for the cheese.
What is it, Jerry? I'm ready.
You sneak in first and scout ahead.
You got it.
This time, victory is mine!
In your dreams, Slowpoke.
You tell him, little guy. Stop the games! Speak English, you two!
But Tom, this is more fun.
Fun! It's chaos! Just talk!
Baby.
I'm the smartest cat in town!
Oh, please, you wish. You're just a scaredy cat.
This time, you're mine, Mouse!
Not if I can help it, you big bully. You can talk.
Of course!
Can I join the fun?
This cheese is mine, Jerry.
Not if I can help it, Tom. Hey, what about me?
Beat it, Pipsqueak!
Yeah.
Hey, did you hear that?
Yeah, it was loud. Maybe it's a ghost.
A ghost? Don't be silly.
Let's go see.
Marriage? No way! Too late! I don't do it!
You will now.
Jerry! This time you're mine!
Whoa, you're huge.
Strong enough to catch you. Try and catch me! Hey, Jerry, look at this big clock. A clock. It's heavy. Whoa! You broke it! You're mine now, Jerry.
Help!
Thomas, what is going on here?
I was just playing.
Jerry, the baby needs its bottle.
Okay, Tom. I'm holding the baby steady.
Quick, the diaper!
Too slow, Tom. Why you?
What are you doing in my house? I live here!
Get out! Way! Tom, your plans always backfire.
This time is...
Still funny, though.
Oh, you! See you next time! Hey, Jerry, want to share this cheese?
No way, Tom. I know your tricks. Besides, you ate it all last time.
Just floating around and having fun. The bubbles are my friends today. Hee hee. Subject: the girl. Verb: eats. The girl eats the apple. A meaningful combination of different words is called a sentence. For example, a beautiful boy. These are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U. They are very important letters. Remember them.
Baby, yes, Mama?
Yes, Mom.
Eating sugar, no, Mama? Oh, such a good baby.
Cheese time! Not on my watch!
Eat, gotta run!
Ha! Gotcha!
Think again!
There you are!
Catch me if you can! Gotcha!
Not so fast! Ha! Got you! There you are!
Catch me if you can! Gotcha!
Not so fast! Ha! Got you!